Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the pound dollar, I mean, we definitely never broke any structure to the upside. So we are still looking at this move up right here as possibly a pullback to this last wave down, and looking at it as possibly bouncing off any one of these Fibonacci levels and continuing the higher time frame downtrend. We have to keep in mind that the daily and weekly is down no matter what we see on the shorter time frames. The higher time frames are always going to be telling you the correct story. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, based on structure, the trend is up on the 4 hour time frame. But this looks like it pulsed it down and then very sideways price sets and kind of looks like it needs to make another push down. Now, if the next push down is just a wave C, then it would make a higher low and go back up, and we'd want to really focus on our longs. On the other hand, if the next move down goes down and gives us a 4 hour time frame break of structure, then I think at that point we're going to have to say this is a complete pattern on the daily. It's respecting the 38% Fibonacci retracement and give us a break of structure, and we're back into the daily time frame downtrend. So, try to take it one step at a time. If it goes down, makes a wave C, then get out of any shorts and then go long. If it goes down and gives you a break of structure, then definitely start looking for pullback entries because likely the daily time frame is back into its downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.